Good morning. It's a beautiful day in Rhodes today. Look at this. Sun's out, not many clouds in the sky. We're gonna go to the old town of Rhodes today. We're walking there. I'm gonna give you a little vlog of the streets and what's around. And I'm with Macaulay. Are you excited for this?
Yeah.
That's going in the video. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna go get some food, local foods, and just vlog it. Really.
Yeah, we're chilling around the old town. They've got all the old town ruins. Go across the marina.
That's about it. So catch you when we get there, and subscribe.
Yes. Macaulay Travels.
Link in the bio. We've come up to a really pretty area, and this is like the bay or the quay. We've got a waterfall feature. Well, we've got a water feature here. Some sort of church behind us. Now, because we have come out of peak season, I reckon these stalls here in the summer are all open and selling little things, but because we've come in March to April, these are shut, but I reckon these would be open. Some old ruins, and that's them now. It was a temple, so that was a temple. Went into that shop. I think it's called Kentapur, something like that. Bought myself something, €3, little bands. I always wear them. So as you can see, this street is like just full of like shops for tourism, and it's all in traditional buildings. I love this, it's really nice. Spicy jelly sweet. There is a kick in that. That is hot. I've never had anything like that before. We're in this town, and I'd probably say only half of the things are open at most, and that is because it's still not peak season. Apparently some of the shops have only just opened a couple of days ago, so we're going to be there's going to be more open than what you're seeing in this video when you come in the summertime. So one of the restaurant people down there said this tower up here is the Big Ben of Rhodes. this is a little waterfall. Let's eat some traditional food. So because I'm a bit hungover, I've gone for the Revive. Hopefully that helps me a bit. What one you gone for?
Mixed berry blast.
Mixed berry blast.
Oh, the berry goodness. And a paper straw to save the turtles. Exactly.
we love animals, especially this one down here. Keeps trying to bite Macaulay. The food was very good there. Recommend. Meat nice and juicy. That was very nice. We're now gonna go and check out another place for some more food, and I'm gonna give my verdict on that as well. Let's go. With that gyros, it was very doughy, but it was nice, and it's not a bad thing. It was just different, very different. And the meat was a bit more chewy, but it was, again, it tasted good, so yeah, recommend. Just come up to. Whoa, I made that boat shape.
I'm obsessed.
I love this. This place is incredible. I've never seen a shop like this. So the whole of this old town of Rhodes is literally just surrounded by this old castle wall. And that's obviously to protect it back in the day, but it looks stunning now, and I think we're going to go and have a little look, just walk through one right in front of us, just to add it to the video, just so you can get an idea of it as well, what it looks like on camera. Where are we going now then?
We're going to Dream Queen.
There. And what
Dream
is it?
Queen. So basically it's an ice cream shop, and it's a really photogenic, Instagrammable ice cream parlour. So
A Macaulay place.
it is.
And I'm just going because I want some ice cream. So, let's go. So, I got bueno and cookies. Thanks. Already, this ice cream's really thick. It's nice. So good, so good. That was amazing. All gone. The bueno, like honestly, the bueno hit so hard. It was lovely. Thoughts?
Very, very good. €4.98 for 2 scoops. Beautiful ice cream, intense flavours.
And it's like probably one of the best ice creams you will get.
Definitely going to go for it. It is the best ice cream I've tried.
Yeah.
100%.
There you go. If you're if you're in Rhodes, every time. There we go. If you're in Rhodes, come and get the Dream Cream. So I kind of forgot to do an exit video because I was shattered, and we went and got food. Clips are already been in, which you've seen. This is the end of day 2. Tomorrow, going to an abandoned place, going to an abandoned water complex. That will be a separate video. Beauty spots are going to be in one video, so there'll be 2 I'm filming, possibly 3 actually. Anyway, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Check out Macaulay
Travels.
and we'll see you soon. Peace out.